Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, before moving further, I am going to explain you these two terms, that is bill at sight and bill after date. So what is bill at sight? The acceptor of the bill is required to pay the amount of the bill immediately whenever the person holding the bill demands the payment. Such a bill is known as bill at sight. Now let us see what is bill after date. The acceptor of the bill is required to pay the amount of the bill after a definite or stipulated period, then it is known as bill after date. Now let us see question number 8 of your textbook. Here it is. On 1st August 2016, Dharmesh drew a 1-month bill of rupees 75,000 on Awadh, which Awadh accepted and returned. On 28th August 2016, Dharmesh sent this bill for collection through bank. The bill was dishonored on the maturity date. The bank debited the amount including noting charges rupees 375 and the bank commission rupees 225 to Dharmesh account. On 25th September 2016, Awadh paid the entire amount payable to Dharmesh by a check. Past necessary journal entries in the books of Dharmesh and Awadh. So let us see here journal entry. First, we will see journal entries in the book of Dharmesh. Here it is. 1st August 2016. So here it is given in the question. On 1st August 2016, bill was drawn by Dharmesh on Awadh. So in the book of Dharmesh, our first journal entry would be bills receivable account debit to Awadh account. Now let us see a journal entry for the same date in the books of Awadh. Here it is, date 1st August 2016. Entry would be Dharmesh account debit 75,000 and bills payable account credit being a new liability. And in narration we will write being a bill of rupees 75,000 accepted and returned. Now let us see next. Here further it is given that on 28th August 2016, Dharmesh sent this bill for collection through bank. So here our entry would be in the book of drawer, that is Dharmesh. Here it is, date is 28th August 2016. Bill for collection through bank account debit 75,000 to bills receivable account credit. Here bills receivable account will be credited in the book of drawer because here drawer, that is Dharmesh, has sent this bill for collection through bank. Now let us see journal entry in the book of Awadh. Here on this day, that is 28th August 2016, no entry will be passed in the book of Droi, that is Awadh, because on this date the transaction has taken place between drawer and his bank. So in the book of Droi, no entry will be passed. So here we will write journal entry not to be written. Now let us see next. Now further it is given that the bank debited the amount including noting charges rupees 375 and bank commission rupees 225 to Dharmesh account. On 25th September 2016, Awadh paid the entire amount payable to Dharmesh by a check. So here let us see journal entry in the book of drawer. Here first we will find out maturity date. Here maturity date would be 4th September 2016 as this bill was drawn on 1st August 2016 and credit period was given 1 month. So according to that, this period will end on 1st September 2016, and by adding 3 days of grace, here our maturity date would be 4th September 2016. See, here we here earlier we saw that the drawer, in order to ensure safety, sent the bill to his bank with instructions that the bill be retained and realized on its due date. It means bank will retain the bill in safe custody and present it for payment on the due date. The bank would credit the account of the customer on realization of amount. But here bill is dishonored. So here our journal entry would be in the book of drawer, that is Dharmesh. Here entry would be Awad's account debit, that is Roy's account will be debited by rupees 75,375, that is 75,000 including plus noting charges, that is 375. So 75,375 will be shown in debit column. Awad's account debit 75,375, and bank commission account will be debited by rupees 225. Here it is an expense for the drawer, and bank account will be credited by rupees 75,600, that is amount of bill, that is 75,000 plus noting charges, that is 375, plus bank commission, that is 225. So that comes to 75,600. See, when a bill sent to the bank for collection is dishonored, bank returns the bill to the drawer and the drawer himself pays the noting charges. Now let us see journal entry in the book of Awadh. Here, as the bill is dishonored, so here in the books of Roy, that is Awadh, uh, if the bill is dishonored, the liability to the concerned creditor will be restored. So that's why here Dharmesh account will be credited by rupees 75,375. That is amount of bill plus noting charges. And bills payable account will be debited as it is dishonored. So here bills payable account will be debited by rupees 75,000 and noting charges will be debited by rupees 375. So here in this way we will pass journal entry. Now further it is given that on 25th September 2016, Awadh paid the entire amount payable to Dharmesh by a check. So the amount payable to Dharmesh uh, by check, that would be 75,000 plus noting charges, that is 375. So 75,375 is the amount which is payable to Dharmesh, and now Awadh has paid the entire amount. So in this case, in the book of drawer, that is Dharmesh, the entry would be bank account debit, as here bank is the receiver of the amount, so bank balance will increase. So bank account will be debited by rupees 75,375 and Awadh's account will be credited. Awadh was debtor for Dharmesh, but as he has paid them entire amount, so here debtor will get reduced, so Awadh's account will be credited. Now let us see journal entry in the books of Awadh. Here it is, date 25th September 2016. Here, as Awadh paid the entire amount to Dharmesh, so here Dharmesh, who was creditor for Awadh, now creditor or liability will get reduced as Awadh has paid the entire amount. So here Dharmesh account will be debited and his bank balance will bank balance will decrease as Awadh has paid the entire amount by check. So here bank account will be credited by rupees 75,375. So here we have completed this chapter. I hope you would have understood this. In the next session, we will begin the new chapter. So that's all for today. Keep on learning and practicing. Thank you very much.